Dear Slab City Diary, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending where you're watching from. Yeah, this is what it sounds like when the gunnery range is testing their guns over there. I can see a truck driving across there. It probably doesn't zoom in. See that truck right there, driving across there? That's new to me. Never seen that happen before. Yeah, a lot of loud booms. Some small arms fire. Can't see nothing now. Boom, boom. Anyways, hope all you guys are having great days. Please be cool to each other. Brian out.